What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's always a huge thanks for coming back. We really appreciate you. So today I got a pretty exciting video. It's something that a lot of the guys in the previous video that I did talked about, and like I said, I already had that part on order. It finally came in, and we're gonna install it, so let's get right to it. Okay, so this piece took about 2 weeks to get here, but it comes from a small company just like mine. I believe it's just a guy, I'm not sure. But like I said, it's a small company like mine. It's a guy that's making an amazing product, and for stuff like that, it's definitely worth the wait. And he actually has a really cool store that he, again, just like us, focuses on the OBS trucks, and his main products are like interior stuff. So like we all know that the OBS cup holders are pretty much non-existent. So he makes like cup holder extenders, little safes where you can store your pew-pews and stuff, you know. Again, super cool store. And the part that really interested me is this part that I'm going to show you right now, which, you know, let's get right to it. Like I said, we're going to be installing some struts on the tailgate and basically doing a tailgate assist, because we all know that these things are not light by any means. I ordered 2 kits, one for each truck, just like the hood struts. And real quick, let's just see what's in the kit. So we have all of our brackets, which are going to be these 2 main brackets with some TIG welds. Not bad, pretty good. And this bracket, which I believe is the one that goes right there, I think. I don't know, we'll figure it out. There's no instructions, so there's going to be some figuring out for sure. We've got this bolt right here. He even sends a tool, and we've got the actual little strut. So yeah, let's try and figure this out. Okay, so I did some looking around, and this part does go up here behind this bolt, and then this is gonna go right there, and I believe it's gonna have this bolt go in there. And then I think when you tighten it, this thing kind of works like a rivet and kind of holds itself in there. So it should be pretty self-explanatory. So let's go ahead and get this bolt out of there. Let's see, let's actually take this thing off first. Okay. Oh. Actually, I have a better tool for this. Let me go grab it. I'm not gonna lie, this thing was on there a little bit tighter than I was expecting it. But there we go, we got it. Okay, and with this bolt out of there, I think all we got to do is just put it back on, but with this thing in between. And I think that'll just go in there like that. Okay, nice and tight. And from the pictures that I saw on his website and Instagram, that's kind of the way that he had it, with this thing butted up all the way up against the this support. So I think that looks good. Now the next part is going to be installing this bracket that goes, kind of saddles that part like that, and then, like I said, that other bolt is going to utilize that hole right there. Okay, so I've been messing around with that nut tool. I believe it's a cross nut or plus nut, and I figured out how I think we're gonna install it. And I kind of wish I would have done this before I started doing it, but basically we have the plus nut, the cross nut in there in the hole. We've got a washer, we've got a wrench, another washer, and then our bolt. And what I'm trying to do is gonna be kind of hard with one hand. Let's see, hopefully you guys don't fall. But I'm holding my wrench, and then with my impact, we're just tightening it. And I think I'm gonna go just until I feel that it's tight in there. Okay. That looks pretty good, nice and solid. Now I know that I have a riv nut tool. I tried that, but the actual like shank on the tool wasn't long enough to reach all the way into the actual threads of this kind of riv nut, so I wasn't able to use that. But this looks like it worked. I mean, I don't know if there was another way to do this. I'm only saying that because he also included this bolt with the lug nut. Again, I've never used one of those things, but I don't know. Anyways, seems like it was easy enough, so let's go ahead and throw that on there. We'll use this nicer bolt because it threads in there. Use this, throw that on there, and once I tighten this thing, it's pretty much going to be done. All we got to do is install the actual strut. Okay, so we've got the top one installed, the bottom one installed, everything's nice and tight. Now that I think about it, I wonder if this bracket on, if I would have started to tighten this, if that would have compressed it. I don't know. Honestly, that thing was smarter than I was, and I tried to do my best, and I got it to work. So you know, try my method, you know, whatever works for you. And if you know the actual proper way to do this without the tool, let me know. And like I said, it's on there nice and solid. So now we're gonna go ahead and install this thing, which I gotta figure out if it goes like this or like this. Okay, so now it looks like the actual body of the strut goes to the top and the shaft goes to the bottom. There we go. And we're just gonna go ahead and put this cable back on. So I totally missed it, but you're supposed to remove this little bumper right here too. Okay, well, we've got that out. Now let's put this back on, and now we should be able to test it. Okay, that freaked me out a little bit. Okay. Whoa. Cool, definitely. Yeah, that's cool. I like it. I like it. It's not a lot of assist on the way up, but it definitely stops it on the way down. Heck yeah, I think that's definitely a victory. Super happy with that. No, it's cool. I don't know if you guys watched that video where I did the hood struts on this truck, but again, super cool. I am definitely happy with this install, and I'll leave a link to his website down below, and obviously I'll also leave a link to our website for any 05 Plus axle swap stuff that you might want. And again, a huge thank you guys for the support. All the orders we get, we really appreciate it, and we look forward to keep doing what we're doing, making new parts, making better parts. Again, super excited for what's to come. But yeah, if you like the install, leave a like. If you have any comments, leave them down below. I'll do my best to get to them. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you for the next one.